Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about the balance control feature in D365. Let's get started. Here, I have created a new main account related to bank and main account type is asset. Now, here if you see in the balance control, let me remove these. Here it is either debit, credit or blank. Now, what we will be defining here is debit. Since bank is an asset account, we will be defining as debit. So what this balance control feature will do, there are two balance control. One is we have covered in our previous video where it will show you the after and before journal balance. It will also control balance for your account. For example, when you are trying, this is a debit balance account, okay? If you are trying to post any credit entry, then it will give you an error and it will not let you post any kind of transaction related to this account in credit side. So let's see in the system. Let's save this, create a new journal and duplicate tab. Here journal, click on lines. Let me select any rent account, rent or expense, any expense account. Let's take employee meal, okay, account DR with 10,000, and let's take the same account, bank account INR, save. Let's validate and stimulate the posting. See, posting result journal batch number. Error is a requirement for debit balance is selected for account, but this violated by voucher with 10,000 credit. Okay. Now let me close this and try to give any income account. Let's take income from discontinued operation. Now here let's mention 10,000 and try to validate this and stimulate the posting. Once the posting is simulated, it will not give you any error. So if I show you the print journal, so if you see here, this account is credited and this account is debited. Similarly, when we try to credit this account, okay, at that time it was throwing an error. So let me show you again. If I give any balance in debit and let me change the account to employee meal, save and try to validate and stimulate the posting. If you know that if anything in account type is selected and if debit is selected in offset account, whatever account is selected, it will be credit and it will balance out the accounting equation. That same thing it is doing. So if I print and journal, it will give me the same kind of vouchers. If you see over here, see this employee meal is debited and bank account is credited, and you will see posting result for batch number required a debit balance is selected for account, but this is violated by voucher 10,000. Posting result for batch number journal batch number 063 posting has been cancelled. So this is how you can use this balance control feature from the main account. And if you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment. I will create a second video in which I will address your query. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.